Hearts of Fire and The Nanny won't be seen tonight. Please stay tuned for this special presentation.
Well, happy Easter, everyone. This is Drewbie from Havre, Montana. This is on Havre Holiday Village Wiki. This one is Mr. Coffee. And today we're going to have to unbox it. And special thanks to Walmart and buying and selling this from Great Falls. All right. Okay, let's have a look at it. So here's the box. So you can see, it says Mr. Coffee. We're gonna have 12 cups in this thing. It's cool. And we got strong blue selector. Brew now or later. Brew a boulder cup of coffee. Grab a cup, auto pause, and a 4-hour auto shut up. Shut up. It's cool. So you can see it's draw cup programmable coffee maker. That's lots of thing. Here's the left side with all kinds of instructions right here. There's the right side for boulder cup of coffee right here. And we got some back on them. You got the USB barcode on here. Here's the bottom. You see, use all kinds of different barcodes that should be needed. And the top. It appears to be another barcode on here. Everything we need it. Okay, let's go have a look and open up. Here's the Mr. Coffee information. Anyway. We're about to open this up. So here's the lid. Anyway, you have the inside of a coffee pot. And everything I have to do right here, just make it easier when I thought. And that's it for the box. Let's have a look at your coffee pot. Let's close this up. So here's it's a plugger. I can't wait for first chocolate of the year. I'll just do something with this because I'm sure I have to set it for the kitchen later. So here's the empty spot. Look at the bottom. Also we got we have brew later or brew now. We got hour, minutes, and strong. See? Okay, so here's this thing. Go open this up. Jackpot, baby. And here's the lid, coffee pot open and closed. I'm gonna add some chocolate. Add coffee on this thing right here. Very shiny.
It is.
and that is pretty much it for the Mr. Coffee unboxing. Until then, this is Drewbie Melly sign off on Saturday, April 19th, 2025. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this all, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Blogger. The addresses are located at the bottom. Until next time, this is Drewbie Melly, sign off.